Welcome again to today's class on logarithm of numbers. We want to see how to simplify some problems on logarithm. How to simplify some numbers on logarithm. That will help us to see how to handle some solvings when we talk about logarithm of numbers less than 1. Because in logarithm of numbers less than 1, we'll be having the integer to be what? Negative. And when the integers are negative, they'll be having bar a particular number, bar a particular number. So we need to know how to simplify negative integers, how to do it so that we'll not have issue on it. Let's see how to simplify negative numbers or negative integers, so to speak. Now this one is positive number, for instance. To simplify this positive number, you say 3.2 all over 5, right? 5 divide 3, it cannot, you write 0. 5 divide 32, you merge this 3 and 2, it becomes 32. 5 divide 32, it will give you 6 remainder 2. 5 divide 2, it cannot, you attach 0 to that 2. 5 divide 20, it becomes what? 4. I repeat, 5 divide 3, it cannot, you put 0 points, you merge these two, it becomes 32. 5 divide 32, you write 6 remainder 2. That 2, have it in your mind. 5 divide that 2, it cannot, you attach 0 to that 2, it becomes 20. 5 divide 20, 4. That means that it will give you 0.64. This is ordinary number. Now in question 2, it has a bar. Bar 6.5 divided by what? 5. When you have a case like this, please don't go and divide this straight away because it has a bar. And this bar means that the integer is negative. That is x power minus 6. So you don't go straight away and do it. What you will do is, you ask yourself, since this 6 is greater than the divisor, which is 5, what is the next number bigger than 6 that 5 can divide? The next number bigger than 6 that 5 can divide is 10. I'll write bar 10 plus. Bar 10 plus what will give me bar 6? Bar 10 plus 4. Bar 10 plus 4 means minus 10 plus 4. That is minus 6. That is bar 6. Do you get it? Then I will now put point what? 5. This is what I will say divided by what? 5. Divided by 5. So how it will divide 5 is, I will now say 5 divided by 10, that will be giving me by 2 points. 5 divide, you merge these two together, 5 divided 45, that will be giving you 9. This will be your answer. That means when the number you are trying to divide is higher than the divisor, look for the next number that divisor can divide and write it, then check plus what will give you back to that number. You say plus 4, it gives you this, then sort it out. Then we saw I bar 3.2 divided by 5. At this point, the divisor is bigger than bar 3. The divisor means the number that is dividing is bigger than bar 3. So this 3 will take it to this divisor, because the next number that 5 can divide, starting from 3 to move up, the next number that 5 can divide is 5. So you now say bar 5 plus 2. That means minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3, that is bar 3. I will now say bar 5 plus 2, then 0.2, all over 5. 5 divided by 5 will give me bar 1. 0.5 divide 22, merge these to be 22, merge them together. 5 divided 22 will give me 4, remainder 2. Attach 0 to that 2. 5 divide 20, it gives you what? 4. So it will be by 1.44. Please note it. Remember I said when you are dividing it, if this number that it is to divide is smaller than this, take that number that is divided, take it and write plus 2. It will give you by 3.2. This divide this by 1. This divide 22. It will give you what? 4 remainder 2. Into 20, you have what? 4. Then IV by 4.2 divided by 4. At this point, the 4 can divide 4. That means, I will say, it means by 4.2 over 4. 4 divided by 4, that will be giving me by 1 point. 4 divide 2, it cannot, I write 0. 4 divide 20, I will write 5. That means it will give you by 1.05. All this number you see us getting here, when you multiply by 5, it will be giving you back what you have. Take for instance this one, by 1.44 times what? 5. Let's see whether it will give you back by 3.2. This times is 20, write 0, carry 2. This times is 20, by plus 2 is 22, write 2, carry 2. This times is by 5 plus 2 by 3. It will be by 3.20. That is by 3.2. So you see that you can still go back if you wish to go back. Okay, we go to the V part. V part say by 4.3 divided by what? 4. Here it can divide. 4 divided by 4 by 1 point. 4 divide 3, can it? No. You write 0. 4 divide, 4 divided by 4 is by 1 point. 4 divided 3 cannot. You put 0 here. Then put 0 to 3 becomes 30. 4 divided 30, 7 remainder 2. Put 0 to that 2, it becomes 20. 4 divided 20, you get 5. Okay? So, you go to the VI by 1.9 times 3. Now, see how you do it for the one of times. 3 times 9, 27. You write 7, carry 2. 3 times by 1, by 3. 3 times by 1 is by 3. Plus that 2 you carry, it will give you by 1.7. Then for VII, by 9.8 times 3, that will be giving you 3 times 8, 24. Write 4, carry what? 2. 3 times this by 27 plus 2. That will be giving you by 25.4. So that 2 you are adding is the 2 you carried from 8 times 3, 24. Write 4, carry 2. So you have it to begin. Please take note of all this while we go into how to simplify or solve a problem that will involve logarithm of numbers less than 1, because it is in logarithm of number less than 1 that you'll be having by this, by that. Are you getting it? So we have seen how to simplify it so that when we go into logarithm of number less than 1 or how to solve problem involving that, we will see how to do that. Thanks for watching the video.